The Hartland Covered Bridge, the world's longest covered bridge. The Hartland Covered Bridge is one of New Brunswick's most famous landmarks, and it's not just any bridge. It's the longest covered bridge in the entire world, stretching 391 meters, 1,282 feet across the St. John River. It was built in 1901 to help locals cross the river more easily. But here's the fun twist. When it first opened, some people were scared to use it because it was covered. They thought maybe the roof was hiding ghosts, or it might collapse. Later, someone joked that it's covered so couples can steal a kiss halfway across, safe from the rain and nosy neighbors. That's why people sometimes call it the Kissing Bridge. During winter, when the snow falls, it looks like something out of a Christmas movie, and when you drive through it, the sound of your tires echoing on the wooden floor makes it feel like you're traveling back in time. So, whether you visit for the history, the view, or that romantic bridge kiss, Hartland Covered Bridge is a must-see piece of Canadian charm.